Hi everybody, it's Bishop Bryce and today is Tuesday, the 21st of January 2020. We're in the year of vision. Listen, we had so many great trades today. Let me just first start by saying happy belated Martin Luther King birthday to everyone. To everyone that's in the cold, I put my hat on because I know what it's like to be in the cold, even though I'm in sunny Florida. And to everyone else, just have a great day. Get some tea, get something to drink. I want to tell you how we made money in our recap on a Tuesday. Hi everybody, it's Bishop Bryce and I want to take a few moments and go over our recap for today, the 21st of January 2020. Listen, first of all, it's a Tuesday, but it should feel like a Monday. A holiday happened on the Monday, national holiday, so all of trading was closed, thank goodness. And so everyone who started trading today understood that it was going to be a volatile market, and it was volatile. If you looked at some of the pre-market things that came up on our scanner, one of the things, pre-market tickers, one of the things that you realize is that everything was moving. There were some that were up 233%. I think that was NVAX before market opened, and then others that were sort of ticking higher than they normally did. That's because we didn't trade yesterday. So we understood that there was going to be volatility in the market. You had to sort of prepare yourself. When people have volatility, so much volatility, what happens is they overtrade. And so I cautioned all the traders at Simple Trader Pro not to overtrade, because this is your money and this is your account. Let the market sort of settle down and simmer. Let everyone get back to regular trading so they'll feel like, okay, we didn't miss anything just because we missed today. Having said that, I want to talk to you first about my hot stock for the day. I have two. My hot stock for the day, my first one is FCEL. It's a slow ticker. I normally do not trade it. It was moving pre-market. It wasn't on any of our scanners, but sometimes if nothing is moving the way we like it here at Simple Trader Pro on the scanners, what we do is we look at some of the continuations. With NIO, that had been a continuation for 8 days. We looked at it, wasn't what we wanted to get into, but we looked at FCEL at open and it began to move. It popped in probably about 255, dropped down to 251, and the first 5-minute candle, it went all the way to 295. That is technically 50 cents. And so if you're looking for that kind of move, I'm going to tell you something. People were done in 5 minutes, because from 251 to 295, that gave you 50 cents. If you had 10,000 shares on 50 cents, that's $5,000. That's my trade. And so there you have it. You're already done for the day. I believe in making your money and going home. Also, my next hot stock for the day is NVAX. NVAX popped up pre-market. They had some, I think it's a pharmaceutical company. They had some great notice from the FDA, I believe. And guess what? It surely popped. This is for shorters. Oftentimes we don't talk about what a short is, but I'm a big shorter. And so this started around 972 and it went down to 733, $2 straight off the bat. So there was money to be made in the market. A lot of new traders who are trading just baby penny stocks, who are trading small cap stocks. Sometimes you don't want to get in a stock that's $9 or $10 because you were like, I don't get as much. But I don't care if you have 50 shares. 50 shares going down $2 is still $100 versus having 1,000 shares in something that goes nowhere. So you have to sort of think and gauge it, as we teach you to do here at Simple Trader Pro. Listen, that's all I got today. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday for our next recap. See you then.